Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best cash app security tips. So let's quickly dive into it. If you want to keep your cash app fully protected, start with the big three. Enable the security lock, turn on notification, and use Face ID or strong PIN so no one can access your account even if they get your phone. Always double check cash app tag. Avoid clicking links outside the app and never share your login code with anyone. Cash App will never ask for it. Be careful. This small step instantly block most scams before they even start. For even stronger protection, keep two-factor authentication on your email, update your phone regularly, and only talk to Cash App support inside the app, not on Google or social media. And if anything feels off, cancel the payment immediately. Stay smart, stay secured, and if this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick Cash App guide. And that's it.